Another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at these Hollyland microphones. Recently I was trying to record videos and I was having a hard time getting the sound the way I wanted it, so I picked up these mics. So I thought I'd give you a quick review on what we found. One of the first things you're going to notice when you get it is it's going to come in this case, which is very nice. It's very rugged. You can throw it around and not damage the actual mics. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what you get when you get the mics. You open it up and you're going to see this box. This box is holding the mics and the receiving unit, and this box is also a charging case. It's a battery. And when you open it up, you're going to see these little lights at the bottom. And right now I'm on 3, which means I've used a little bit of the battery, because when it has a 4, it's all the way charged. And your mics are going to be on each side, just like this. There's 1, and here is 2. The center is the receiving unit. Now, the couple of cool things about this receiving unit. First of all, it's going to fit on top of your camera, just like that, and it's going to register the mic. So when I pull the mic out like this and they connect, there it is. You'll see the light going off and on, and that's actually showing that it's picking up voice. And another cool thing it does is it registers the battery off of the mic itself, so that the person who's doing the filming will be able to know that there is a full charge on the mic, or when the mics need to be replaced. That's a really good trait. Another thing about these mics that I like is it has a little magnet. The little magnet slips on and you can actually get the chain to wear around your neck, and this will slide on right to the chain via the magnet, so that your mic can sit right below you. It also has a port to put a lapel mic. So there's a mic already on this, but you can do the attachment and run a lapel and put this further down if you want. So if you want the mic up a little closer and a little bit better sound, even though personally I couldn't tell the difference because I have both. So when you put the mics and the receiving unit back in the unit, it will tell you what the charge is. So if you look at the bottom, I've got 100, 100, 100. They're all charged. If I look up in the upper right corner, though, it tells me 69. That 69 means that the battery pack itself has a 69% charge in it. Another really good thing, though, about this mic system is it has an onboard recorder. So not only when you are using it will your phone or your camera record, but you will have a backup recording on these. So if something messes up and the sound isn't quite right, you can get the actual recording off of these. So it gives you a backup system. Really a great system. But so far, after using these for a couple of weeks, I have to say they've been fantastic. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it a 5. It's very rugged, very well made. The battery lasts a long time, and that's another thing. The battery on these will last me 5-6 hours per mic. So I can get through a full day of recording without any problem. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a set of these Hollyland mics. You're going to love it.